Hey, it is your travel agent David, and I am in Las Vegas. I'm getting ready to go into the Natural 21. It's a brand new restaurant that's coming to Las Vegas. It opens in 4 days. I got a sneak preview to come on in and check it out before anybody else did. So let's go check out Natural 21. They're doing the friends and family feeding today to just make sure all the kinks are worked out. This place is awesome, especially if you love gaming. Welcome to Natural 21, the ultimate hangout for gamers, foodies, and anyone who loves good vibes and great company. This place nails that fantasy gaming atmosphere, where you're encouraged to bring your own games, meet new players, and just kick back with people who get it. Now, whether you're deep into a campaign or casually rolling some dice, this is your spot to connect and play. Now let's talk about that menu. It's stacked. It's full of craveable starters, satisfying mains, and desserts that will take you right back to your Saturday morning cartoons. If you're here, I really recommend the potato skins, the tri-tip cheesesteak, and the Fruit Loop treats as a dessert. Trust me, they're a hit. You need a drink? The fully stocked bar has you covered, and the bartenders know their stuff. Classic cocktails, custom creations, whatever you're in the mood for, they're ready to mix it up. And one of the best parts? The staff. This team is handpicked from the gaming community itself, so every interaction feels authentic and welcoming. You're not just a customer, you're part of the scene. Natural 21 is connected to Natural 20 Gaming Lounge, recently voted the best gaming lounge in Vegas out of nearly 30 competitors. So whether you're here for a weekly tournament or just catching up with some friends, grabbing food from Natural 21 is quick, easy, and worth every bite. Oh, and that menu? It's created by executive chef Michael Flores, so yeah, it's legit. Even if you're not a gamer, this is still a great spot to grab a drink, enjoy some great food, and chill in the laid-back, adult-only environment. The Natural 21 is strictly 21 and up. So come for the games, stay for the vibe, and enjoy some great food and a drink. You won't regret it.